Hey everyone, welcome to my Down Dog Fitness app review. Thinking about downloading it? I've got links in the description. Let's dive into what it offers, who it's for, and my experience. Down Dog shines with its versatility. Yoga, HIIT, Pilates, barre, it's all here, tailored to your goals, fitness level, and schedule. Perfect for beginners or seasoned pros looking for a challenge. Customize workout duration, intensity, and even target areas. Build strength, improve flexibility, or just unwind. The audio-visual quality is fantastic, with calming, customizable music and crystal clear instruction. Navigation is super smooth, and you can download workouts for offline use, perfect for travel. Yogis will love the endless variety of sequences and multiple styles, from Vinyasa and Hatha to restorative. Down Dog tracks your progress, keeping you motivated and consistent. It's ideal for busy people who want effective, high-quality workouts at home or on the go. It is subscription-based, but the features and flexibility make it worthwhile. Overall, Down Dog delivers an exceptional experience. It's user-friendly, highly customizable, and packed with value. Ready to elevate your fitness routine? Check the description for links to get started.